To get started, I would recommend that you get a completely free Gold IRA guide that is written by the best and most trusted Gold IRA company that I have found after over 20 years as an expert, independent gold researcher. This free Gold IRA guide will explain everything you need to know and will also answer any questions you may have about Gold IRAs. This is the best guide I have seen in my lifetime as an expert, independent gold researcher with more than 20 years of experience, and this is the best guide available anywhere in my opinion. Also, when you get this free Gold IRA guide, you will get free access to the top Gold IRA experts who will provide you with personalized support and help over the phone, and they will answer any questions you may have. To get this top free Gold IRA guide, simply go to the link that is in the episode show notes or go to the link that is in the episode description. So again, to get this top free Gold IRA guide, simply go to the link that is in the episode show notes or go to the link that is in the episode description. This free guide is really worth getting. Simply go to the link that is in the episode show notes or go to the link that is in the episode description. Also, this audiobook is not financial, investment, or tax advice. For financial investment or tax advice, consult a financial investment or tax advisor and take full responsibility for any decision you make. Okay, let's start the audiobook. What is a Gold IRA? Precious Metals IRA accounts for retirement. In an era defined by economic uncertainty and fluctuating markets, the savvy investor is constantly seeking strategies to safeguard their financial future, particularly when it comes to retirement. While traditional retirement portfolios heavily weighted towards stocks and bonds have held sway for decades, a growing number of individuals are turning to a time-tested asset, gold, to fortify their long-term financial security. This is where the Gold IRA, also known as a Precious Metals IRA, enters the picture, offering a compelling alternative and a critical diversification tool for the modern retirement landscape. This audiobook will delve into the world of Gold IRAs, exploring what they are, how they work, and why they are increasingly being considered a prudent and potentially lucrative component of a well-rounded retirement strategy. We will unpack the concept of Precious Metals IRAs, highlight their unique advantages in turbulent economic times, and guide you through the process of understanding and potentially incorporating this valuable asset into your retirement plan. If you are seeking to protect your hard-earned savings from inflation, market volatility, and the eroding power of paper currency, then understanding the power of a Gold IRA is not just beneficial, it's essential. Beyond paper, understanding the allure of gold. Before diving into the specifics of a Gold IRA, it's crucial to understand the enduring appeal of gold itself. For millennia, gold has been revered as a symbol of wealth, stability, and intrinsic value across cultures and civilizations. Unlike fiat currencies, whose value is often tied to the fluctuating faith in a government or central bank, gold possesses inherent worth. This intrinsic value stems from its scarcity, durability, and its wide range of practical applications in industries like technology, jewelry, and medicine. In the context of investment, gold's historical performance speaks volumes. It has consistently acted as a hedge against inflation, meaning that its value tends to rise during periods of economic inflation when the purchasing power of fiat currencies declines. As governments print more money and erode the value of their currency, gold's limited supply makes it a sought-after refuge, driving its price upwards and preserving, or even increasing, investor wealth. Furthermore, gold has demonstrated its resilience during economic downturns and market crashes. When stock markets plummet and bond yields struggle, investors often flock to safe haven assets like gold, driving up demand and price. This counter-cyclical nature of gold makes it an invaluable tool for portfolio diversification, helping to mitigate risk and stabilize overall returns, especially during volatile periods. Introducing the Gold IRA, your gateway to precious metal retirement savings. A Gold IRA, at its core, is a self-directed individual retirement account, IRA, that allows you to hold physical gold and other precious metals, such as silver, platinum, and palladium, as part of your retirement portfolio. Traditional IRAs typically hold paper assets like stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. A Gold IRA expands your investment options, allowing you to diversify beyond these conventional avenues and tap into the tangible and historically robust world of precious metals. Key features of a Gold IRA. Self-directed account. This is the defining characteristic of a Gold IRA. Unlike standard IRAs managed by brokerage firms that primarily offer mainstream investments, a Gold IRA places the control in your hands. You, the account holder, decide which precious metals to invest in, and you work with a custodian specializing in self-directed IRAs to facilitate the transactions and ensure compliance with IRS regulations. Physical precious metals. The cornerstone of a Gold IRA is the ability to hold physical precious metals. You are not investing in gold stocks, ETFs, or derivatives. You are investing in tangible gold bullion, coins, and bars, ensuring direct ownership and control over your assets. This tangible nature offers a sense of security and detachment from the often abstract world of paper investments. Tax advantages. Gold IRAs retain the same tax advantages as traditional IRAs. You can choose between a traditional Gold IRA, where contributions may be tax-deductible and earnings grow tax-deferred until retirement, and a Roth Gold IRA, where contributions are made with after-tax dollars, but qualified withdrawals in retirement are tax-free. This allows you to leverage the tax benefits of retirement accounts while incorporating the stability and growth potential of precious metals. Custodian and depository. Due to IRS regulations, you cannot physically hold the precious metals associated with your Gold IRA at home. You must work with an IRS-approved custodian and depository. The custodian acts as the administrator of your account, handling paperwork, reporting, and ensuring compliance. The depository is a secure third-party vault that stores your precious metals, providing security and insurance against theft or damage. Choosing reputable custodians and depositories is crucial for the safety and integrity of your Gold IRA. Why choose a Gold IRA? Unveiling the benefits. In a retirement landscape increasingly fraught with uncertainty, the appeal of a Gold IRA stems from a powerful combination of benefits that cater to the concerns of today's investors. 1. Inflation hedge and purchasing power preservation. As mentioned earlier, gold has historically served as a reliable hedge against inflation. When inflation erodes the value of fiat currencies, gold tends to maintain or increase its value, preserving your purchasing power. In an environment where government spending and inflationary pressures are on the rise, a Gold IRA can act as a vital shield against the devaluation of your retirement savings. Think of it as an insurance policy against the silent thief of inflation. 2. Diversification. Beyond traditional assets, modern portfolio theory emphasizes the importance of diversification to mitigate risk. While stocks and bonds have traditionally formed the core of retirement portfolios, their performance is often correlated and vulnerable to market downturns. Adding gold and other precious metals to your portfolio through a Gold IRA introduces a valuable element of non-correlation. Gold often moves inversely to stocks and bonds, meaning that when traditional assets falter, gold can rise, helping to balance overall portfolio performance and reduce volatility. This diversification is a cornerstone of prudent risk management in retirement planning. 3. Safe haven in times of economic turmoil. Throughout history, gold has been a safe haven asset during periods of economic crisis, geopolitical instability, and market uncertainty. When fear and uncertainty grip the markets, investors tend to flock to gold as a store of value and security. The inherent stability of gold, detached from the fluctuations of paper currencies and market sentiment, makes it a comforting anchor in times of financial storms. A Gold IRA offers a tangible safe haven within your retirement savings, providing peace of mind during turbulent times. 4. Tangible asset and intrinsic value. Unlike stocks or bonds, which are essentially paper-based promises or claims, gold is a tangible asset with intrinsic value. You physically own the gold bars or coins held within your Gold IRA. This tangibility offers a sense of security and control that is absent with purely digital or paper-based investments. The inherent value of gold, rooted in its scarcity and utility, provides a solid foundation for long-term wealth preservation. 5. Potential for long-term growth. While gold is often seen as a store of value, it also possesses the potential for long-term growth. Throughout history, gold prices have generally trended upwards, reflecting the increasing demand and finite supply. In an era of potential currency debasement and ongoing economic uncertainties, the long-term outlook for gold remains positive. A Gold IRA allows you to participate in the potential appreciation of precious metals, enhancing your retirement savings over the long term. Navigating the Gold IRA process, a step-by-step guide. While the concept of a Gold IRA may seem straightforward, the process of setting one up and managing it requires careful attention to detail and adherence to IRS regulations. Here's a step-by-step guide to navigating the Gold IRA landscape. Step 1. Choose a reputable Gold IRA custodian. Selecting the right custodian is paramount. Look for custodians that specialize in self-directed IRAs and have experience handling precious metals. Consider factors like reputation and track record. Research the custodian's history, customer reviews, and any industry ratings. Fees and transparency. Understand the custodian's fee structure, including setup fees, annual maintenance fees, storage fees, and transaction fees. Ensure transparency in all fee disclosures. Customer service and support. Assess the quality of customer service and support. You want a custodian that is responsive, knowledgeable, and readily available to answer your questions and guide you through the process. Storage options and depository network. Inquire about the custodian's approved depositories and storage options. Ensure the depository is reputable, secure, and insured. Step 2. Open your self-directed IRA account. Once you have selected a custodian, you will need to open a self-directed IRA account. This process typically involves completing paperwork, providing personal information, and specifying the type of IRA you wish to open, traditional or Roth. Step 3. Fund your Gold IRA. There are several ways to fund your Gold IRA. Roll over from existing retirement account. You can roll over funds from an existing traditional IRA, 401k, 403b, or other qualified retirement plan into your Gold IRA without incurring tax penalties. This is a common and efficient way to fund a Gold IRA. Transfer from existing retirement account. You can also transfer funds directly from an existing retirement account to your Gold IRA. Transfers are generally tax-free and penalty-free, but it's crucial to ensure the transfer is done correctly to avoid any unintended tax consequences. Direct contribution. You can make direct contributions to your Gold IRA, subject to annual IRA contribution limits set by the IRS. These contributions may be tax-deductible for a traditional Gold IRA, depending on your income and filing status. Step 4. Select your precious metals. With your Gold IRA funded, you can now choose the specific precious metals you wish to hold. IRS regulations specify the types and purity levels of precious metals allowed in Gold IRAs. Commonly approved metals include gold bullion bars and coins meeting specific purity requirements, typically 995 fine gold or higher for bars and 0.9999 fine gold for certain coins like American Gold Eagles. Silver bullion bars and coins meeting specific purity requirements, typically 999 fine silver. Platinum bullion bars and coins meeting specific purity requirements, typically 0.9995 fine platinum. Palladium bullion bars and coins meeting specific purity requirements, typically 9995 fine palladium. Step 5. Purchase and store your precious metals. Once you have selected your precious metals, your custodian will facilitate the purchase through a precious metals dealer. The purchased metals will then be securely shipped and stored in an IRS-approved depository. You cannot take physical possession of the metals while they are held within your Gold IRA. Step 6. Ongoing account management. Your custodian will provide regular account statements and manage the administrative aspects of your Gold IRA. You can typically buy, sell, or rebalance your precious metals holdings within your Gold IRA as needed, working through your custodian and precious metals dealer. Addressing potential concerns and misconceptions. While Gold IRAs offer numerous advantages, it's important to address some potential concerns and misconceptions that individuals may have. Fees. Gold IRAs do involve fees, including custodian fees, storage fees, and transaction fees. It's crucial to compare fee structures among different custodians and understand the total cost of ownership. However, these fees should be weighed against the potential benefits of diversification, inflation protection, and long-term growth offered by gold. Storage. The requirement to store precious metals in an approved depository may be a concern for some who prefer direct physical possession. However, depository storage ensures security, insurance, and compliance with IRS regulations. Reputable depositories utilize state-of-the-art security measures to protect your assets. Liquidity. While precious metals can be bought and sold, they may not be as liquid as readily traded stocks or bonds. Selling precious metals within a Gold IRA involves working through your custodian and a precious metals dealer. However, established dealers offer relatively efficient buyback programs, providing reasonable liquidity when needed. Market volatility. While gold is considered a safe haven asset, it can still experience price fluctuations. Like any investment, the value of precious metals can go up and down. However, the long-term historical trend for gold has been upwards, and its role as an inflation hedge and diversifier should be considered in the context of a long-term retirement strategy. The bottom line, is a Gold IRA right for you? Ultimately, the decision of whether to incorporate a Gold IRA into your retirement plan is a personal one that should be based on your individual financial circumstances, risk tolerance, and retirement goals. However, for individuals seeking to safeguard their retirement savings against inflation and currency devaluation, to diversify their portfolio beyond traditional stocks and bonds, to gain exposure to a tangible, historically resilient asset, to potentially enhance long-term growth and stability in their retirement portfolio, to find a safe haven during times of economic uncertainty. A Gold IRA presents a compelling and increasingly relevant option. In today's complex and unpredictable economic landscape, relying solely on traditional paper assets for retirement may leave you exposed to significant risks. A Gold IRA offers a powerful tool to diversify, protect, and potentially grow your retirement savings by tapping into the enduring value of precious metals. By understanding the mechanics of Gold IRAs, weighing the benefits and considerations, and working with reputable professionals, you can make an informed decision about whether this valuable retirement strategy aligns with your financial objectives and helps you build a more secure and prosperous future. The age of paper money dominance might be waning, and the golden age of retirement security might just be dawning with the prudent inclusion of precious metals in your long-term financial plan. Also, I would recommend that you get a completely free Gold IRA guide that is written by the best and most trusted Gold IRA company that I have found after over 20 years as an expert independent gold researcher. This free Gold IRA guide will explain everything you need to know and will also answer any questions you may have about Gold IRAs. This is the best guide I have seen in my lifetime as an expert independent gold researcher with more than 20 years of experience, and this is the best guide available anywhere in my opinion. Also, when you get this free Gold IRA guide, you will get free access to the top Gold IRA experts who will provide you with personalized support and help over the phone, and they will answer any questions you may have. To get this top free Gold IRA guide, simply go to the link that is in the episode show notes or go to the link that is in the episode description. So again, to get this top free Gold IRA guide, simply go to the link that is in the episode show notes or go to the link that is in the episode description. This free guide is really worth getting. Simply go to the link that is in the episode show notes or go to the link that is in the episode description. Also, this audiobook is not financial, investment, or tax advice. For financial, investment, or tax advice, consult a financial, investment, or tax advisor and take full responsibility for any decision you make. This is the end of this audiobook. I hope you enjoyed this and found it valuable. I would really appreciate it if you could please share this with everyone you know and leave a positive review for me. So again, I would really appreciate it if you could please share this with everyone you know and leave a positive review for me. All the best to you.